Rivers State Police Command don't gbab some suspected child trafficker for Rivers State. The State Police Command tok person Grace Irige Koko tok say police operatives wey dey attached to the Commissioner of Police Monitoring Unit on July 8, 2023 arrest some suspected child trafficker based on confession of 2 suspects wey dem first arrest for the case of child trafficking, and dem come carry the investigation go Umudiaga for Emuha local government area of Rivers State and Ogbaku for Mbatori local government area of Imo State.
Operative attached to the CP Monitoring Unit on Saturday, July 8, 2023 at about 5 p.m. based on the revelation of 2 suspects earlier arrested in the case of child trafficking, extended investigation to Umudiaga in Emuha local government area in Rivers State and Obaka in Imbitolu local government area Imo State, where they arrested the due of Indubisi Iberi male and Indubisi Wosu male at Umudiaga and 1 Shoma Anele female at Obako. Indubisi Iberi and Indubisi Wosu confessed to receiving one of the babies, which they later handed over to Honorable Regina Aka, female at Rumukpoko in Port Harcourt. Honorable Regina was also arrested and admitted to contacting one Favor Amele female at Alu, where the baby was sold in the presence of Michael Charles, the father of the children. Subsequently, Favor Amiwele female was arrested and admitted to buying the baby for the sum of 700,000 naira, while 350,000 naira was paid to Michael Charles, the father of the baby, and 350,000 naira was paid to Honorable Regina Eke and her partners. However, the baby bought by Favor Amele has been recovered, and investigation is on top gear with a view to rescue the other children that are being sold by the father of the babies.
The papa wey is selling pikin can't tell 3 people how he take sell the pikin and why he selling pikin.
I know thief one. I know thief children, my own children. I think I can give a baby nose, make him take care of that pikin. I carry the baby nose, I carry the pikin give on this baby nose, make him take care of the pikin. I know get money to kill. The wife born for me in day now.
So why you no give and make it nurse for you? You can't carry give to another nursing mother.
You should do money they talk. I know if you talk, tell anybody anything.
Before you marry,
and the me follow go. The me follow go.
You and your wife follow
go.
So under what circumstance that made you to carry your children to another?
Why you do like that, okay? Why?
I no get money, property. Shishi I no get. If you see me, you will see I no get money.
Eh?
Eh?
She give you money?
No give me money. You give me 7 months to go to come back. Say I go for 7,000 to come back.
We don't understand that part. You say what happened?
I carry the pikin give for new baby nurse to take care of that pikin for 7 months. 7 years. After the 7 years, I go take her and collect the money, take the pikin back, give her the money back.
How much?
Uchechi.
How much they pay you for Uchechi?
How much they increase Uchechi? 700 naira. 700,000. As I go, I'm not people collect the money from my hand.
Okay. How much do they pay you for for Miracle?
300,000. 350. Yeah, 350.
Okay. The day-old baby. How much do they pay for the day-old baby?
500.
Whom do you give the day-old baby to? Who take you to grant you the child?
Who give me the?
Who take you to grant you the child?
No, this man, doctor.
Doctor. What is his name?
And I know for doctor, but I don't know the main name.
Okay. What of Uchechi?
Uchechi is a doctor too.
Same doctor. Okay. What of the Miracle?
Miracle, another woman. That Christian woman.
So wait, how many of your children will you sell?
3.
How much?
I don't forget how him be.
Wait, why you sell your children?
I don't get money to train them.
Some of the suspects took out on how the matter take concern them and how the police take arrest them.
Mr. Michael Charles has been a person who normally comes to my clinic for medical treatment. Once a while he do come, by then I don't know him. I do give him medical attentions when he came. But one of the good day he met me, he said he has something to discuss with me. I said, what is that? He now said he want to see me. I said he should come into my office. When he came into my office, he sat down. He told me that didn't I have an idea of people who will take his baby and give him money in order to take care of his family. That poverty has been his problem. I told him I don't have the idea. So I said I don't have the idea. After 2 days, Mr. Michael repeated back again. He told me that he's very serious about it. I said, okay, let me see if I can make a contact. And I made a contact of a woman by name, Mr. Chinyere, whom I called Michael. I told him I have gotten a woman. He told me, he said he's very interested about it. On that very day, I now took Michael, including with his wife and the children, to the woman who now adopted the baby to their hand and gave us 850,000, which I gave Michael 700,000. He accepted. Later on June at the end this month 2023, Michael came to me, still telling me that look at the situation he has entered. Even though I told him, I said, Michael, if not this thing, don't you have something doing? He do come to me. He asked me of money to assist him financially. He said meetings are not being going well, which sometimes I do help him out of finance. Now he said his woman is pregnant, that he wanted to give it out again for he cannot take care of the baby. I said, okay, why are you doing this? He said he cannot take care of the baby. I said, I said, the first money you take, what did you do this for? He said he's a family that he bought land, he farm, this and that. I said, okay. Now I connected a woman who is by name Chioma. On that very day, I told Michael, I said, I have seen a woman. He told me to take them to the place, which I took Michael, including his wife, where the wife puts to bed. And the woman received the baby and gave us money, and I paid Michael 500,000. Now, that was, the money was 1.5, and I gave Michael 500. So when the woman settled us, me, Michael, and his wife, they came back to the house and left. So suddenly on Tuesday, I saw Michael with policemen. They came to my clinic and arrested me. The 1 million that was given was in my custody. The 1 million was given was as a compensation to the business and the agreement I had with Michael, because we agreed at 500.
He called me that there was one man called Michael that wanted to give his baby out for adoption. If I have somebody that will adopt the baby, I say, okay, let me check that. I will call him back. After some hours, I call him that, yes, I have found somebody. The man, Bernard, came with Michael Charles, with his wife, to my place. That day they came. His wife was already in labor. I called Michael, asked him, are you aware of this thing? He said yes. I asked him, how many children do you have? He said 2. I asked him, why do you want to give this one out for adoption? He said he don't have anything to train the other one, that he wants to give it out so that he will use the money and train the other 2.
Now they say they won't give her the child for adoption, so I collect the child. Now woman, I give them 700,000.
700,000 for a male or for female?
Female child.
For male, uncle?
I no collect any male, now only one.
The grandmother of the pikin wey dem sell come tell tori people say,
my daughter marry. The one marry and say be omoko people. So carry and go Omerelu side. Impregnated. So as him born, no contain me. One man from Omerelu contain me say whether I know that my daughter born. I said, no, I born. I said, born. So I run, go there. I see the man. Because that's my daughter, not talk. I see look me. I say, man say, don't born. The pikin don't die. Every day pikin don't die. The first one died, this one died. Nothing be this. So I tell him, say, make him come show me the place where he buried the person. Let me talk to her. Do like this, do like this. I can't hold her. Where my children? Because my daughter know they talk. I say they do it like that. People, people, food there. Na me born this pikin, na me born this pikin. That's what the man they do. That's what the man they do. I go Omrelu, go call Ospak them. Ospak come. Before Ospak carry the man, go to police station, Elele. From there, we reach here. So he say, yes, I don't say this one. I say, I don't say this one. I don't say this one. This one, no, the one.
How old is that baby?
Okay, this one. Now, 2 weeks and 1 day.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojoisili, TMC TV News.